Hello guys, welcome to Learning with PrepClass. I am BC, I am a PrepClass tutor. In this video, we are going to be solving Akwa Pre-vocational Studies for the year 2020 from question 26 to question 30. Subscribe to our channel because this is where you can get videos like this, very educative and entertaining stuff like this. Then make sure that you like and comment on the videos as well. Alright, so let's start. The first question in this video is question 26. The following are protozoan diseases in livestock except A. Newcastle, B. Rinderpest, C. Coccidiosis, D. Brucellosis. Before we can answer this question, we need to understand what protozoan diseases are, and we need to know the meaning of each of the diseases in the options. Okay, so first of all, what are protozoan diseases? Protozoan diseases are parasitic diseases caused by organisms classified in the kingdom Protozoa. They are parasitic diseases. So this is the key word there, parasitic diseases. So this means that protozoan diseases are parasitic diseases. All right, so let's move on to the options. The first option is Newcastle disease. What is Newcastle disease? Newcastle disease is a contagious viral avian disease. The avian means birds, okay? So it is a contagious viral avian disease affecting many domestic and wild bird species. So Newcastle disease is a viral disease. It is not a parasitic disease. Okay, rinderpest. Rinderpest is also known as cattle plague. It is a disease caused by rinderpest virus, which primarily infects cattle and buffalo. Okay, so rinderpest is also caused by a virus called the rinderpest virus. So rinderpest is a viral disease. Okay, coccidiosis is a parasitic disease of the intestinal tract of animals caused by coccidian protozoa. Okay, so you can see that this is a protozoan disease because it is caused by a parasite. Okay, brucellosis. Brucellosis is an infectious disease caused by the type of bacteria called Brucella. So brucellosis is caused by bacteria called Brucella species. Okay, so now we've been able to establish that Newcastle and rinderpest are viral diseases. Coccidiosis is a parasitic disease. Brucellosis is a bacterial disease. Okay, so let's go back to the question. The following are protozoan diseases in livestock except. So there is only one protozoan disease here. So I guess there is a mistake with the question. So the question should be one of the following is a protozoan disease, which is coccidiosis, because Newcastle disease and rinderpest disease are viral diseases. Brucellosis is a bacterial disease, while coccidiosis is the only protozoan disease. So the question should be one of the following is a protozoan disease. Okay, so now number 27. A suitable tool for catching fish from the ocean is A. Basket, B. Trawler, C. Trap, D. Guard. So we can use a basket to catch fish from the ocean. You're going to spend all day there. Alright, so what exactly do we use? We use a fishing vessel called trawler. So trawler is a fishing vessel that uses a trawl, which is a conical net that traps fish by being dragged through the water or along the bottom. So trawler is the kind of fishing vessel that is used for catching fish from the ocean. Okay, so trawler should be the answer. So which of the option is correct? It is B, trawler. Trawler is the suitable tool for catching fish from the ocean. Now, number 28. Cereal belongs to dash feed. A. Filler, B. Addictive, C. Concentrate, D. Rough edges. Okay, so for us to be able to answer this, we need to know what filler is, what additive is, what concentrate is, and what rough edges are. Okay, so now, filler. What is filler? Filler is an ingredient added to provide dietary fiber or some other non-nutritive purpose. Examples of fillers are corn cobs, feathers, soil, peanut hulls, screening, weeds, straw, and cereal byproducts. So these are examples of fillers. So it is used to provide dietary fiber or some other non-nutritive purpose. Now, what are additives? Additive is an ingredient or combination of ingredients added to the basic feed mix as an extra nutrient or drug for livestock. So from the word additive, you get add. So this is an ingredient or a combination of ingredients added to the basic feed mix. So you already have the basic feed mix, but you add these additives as extra nutrients or drug for the livestock. Examples are vitamins, amino acids, fatty acids, minerals, pharmaceutical products, fungal products, and steroidal compounds. So it is an extra nutrient, or when you want to give the livestock drugs. So these are additives. You add them to the basic feed mix. Okay, concentrates. Concentrates are animal feed that is high in energy value. Okay, examples are cereal grains and their byproducts such as barley, corn, oats, rye, wheat, and some of them are high protein such as soybean, canola, cottonseed, peanuts, and byproducts from processing of sugar beets, sugarcane, animals, and fish. Okay, so these are concentrates. These are the main animal feeds. They are either high in energy value or high in protein. Okay, so these are the various examples of concentrates. Roughages. Roughages are animal feeds that have high concentration of slowly degradable fiber. This includes pasture grasses, hay, silage, root crops, straw, and corn stalks. So these are roughages. They are slowly degradable fiber. So these are roughages. Now, which of the option is correct? Cereal belongs to dash feed. So cereal belongs to concentrate feed. Do you know that concentrate is the main animal feed that is either rich in energy content or in protein? So cereals belong to concentrate feed. So the correct option here is C. Number 29. A person representing a buyer or a seller of a stock during stock exchange transaction is dash. A. Investor. B. Jobber. C. Stockbroker. D. Clerks. So for us to be able to answer this question as well, we need to know what investor, jobber, stockbroker, and clerks mean. Okay, so now let's start from the first word, which is an investor. An investor is an individual that puts money into an entity such as a business for a financial return. So for example, you have a business and then I have some money, I can invest it in your business for profit. So I put the money in your business just for me to gain profit. So in that case, I am an investor. I put money into your business to gain profit. Now, what is a jobber? A jobber is one who purchases goods in bulk and resells them to smaller dealers. So these are called middlemen. They buy from the manufacturer and then they sell in small quantities to retailers. Okay, so jobbers are people who purchase goods in bulk and resells them to smaller dealers. Okay, so stockbrokers now. Stockbrokers are the licensed professionals who buy and sell securities such as stocks on behalf of investors. The brokers act as intermediaries between the stock exchanges and the investors by buying and selling stocks on the investors' behalf. So stockbrokers are like the middleman between the buyer and seller of a stock. Okay, so they either represent the buyer or the seller. Okay, so now stockbrokers are the licensed professional that sell and buy stock on behalf of investors. Okay, clerk. A clerk is a white collar worker who conducts general office tasks such as answering the telephone, typing documents, filing, and liaising with clients. Okay, so these are the meaning of all the options. Now, the question says a person representing a buyer or a seller of a stock during stock exchange transaction is, you should know this now. The answer is C, stockbroker. So a stockbroker is a person representing a buyer or a seller of a stock during stock exchange transaction. Number 30. In a physical stock exchange system, buying and selling of stock take place in the, is it the trading floor, which is A, B, bureau de change, C, commercial bank, D, bank hall. So where does buying and selling of stock take place? Okay, so let's look at each of the options and what it means. Okay, trading floor is a place within an exchange or a bank or securities house where dealers trade in shares or other securities such as stock as well. Okay, so what about a bureau de change? It is a business where people can exchange one currency for another. Okay, so if I have dollars now, I can go to bureau de change to change the dollars to naira, or maybe I have pounds, I want to change it to naira. So the place I go to is called bureau de change. Commercial bank. A commercial bank is a financial institution which accepts deposits from the public and gives loans for the purposes of consumption and investment. I'm very sure that some of you might have been to a commercial bank before. Examples like Access Bank, GT Bank, and the rest of them. So these are all commercial banks. They are financial institutions that accept deposits and gives loan for the purpose of consumption and investment. Okay, the last option there is bank hall. So bank hall is inside a bank, right? So it is the room of a bank or a private banking house in which the greater number of the clerks work and to which the public has access to deposit or to draw money. So if you've been to a commercial bank before, there is a room there where you will see most of their workers there, and this is where you can make deposit or withdraw money. So that room is called the bank hall or the banking hall. Okay, so which of the option is correct? In a physical stock exchange system, buying and selling of a stock take place in the trading floor. The trading floor is the area where buying and selling of stock take place. So the correct option is A, trading floor. I hope you were able to learn a lot from this video. Subscribe to our channel so that you can get more videos like this, and then you can see all the previous videos that have been done. Then don't forget to like and comment on our videos, as I'll be looking forward to respond to your comments. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.